Hello students, now in this video we'll see standard 10 maths 2 7th lesson mensuration. The next topic from this lesson mensuration is area of sector. So in this video we'll see the formula to find the area of sector. Before starting this area of sector, we'll see the definition of sector. Okay, so sector yani kya? So sector is nothing but if one circle is there, circle is given and AOB be its central angle. AOB kya hai? Central angle hai. Then this circle is divided into two parts. One part is this one, okay, and this is the second part. Then each part is called a sector. हर एक पार्ट क्या बोलेंगे उसको? सेक्टर बोलेंगे. Okay. Now if you observe their area, then one area is small one and another is large one. So the smaller area, this O, है ना? This area, this is called minor sector and this is the major sector. Okay. The another definition or the alternate definition for this sector is like this. The sector of a circle is the region bounded by two radii and the arc of the circle. The area bounded by two radii. So here we consider OA and OB, the two radii and an arc, this joining the end points of the given radii AXB. Okay, so area bounded by these two radii and this arc AXB is called a sector. Similarly, this is also another sector AYB, that is the arc we consider. Okay, so here O dash, we denote a sector as O dash AXB, AXB as a minor sector. This is minor sector. Okay, and O dash AYB, this is major sector. Minor sector and major sector, those are two sectors. O dash AXB, if minor arc is there, then the area bounded by this minor arc with two radii is called the minor sector and the area bounded by the major arc with the two radii is called the major sector. Okay, if R is the radius of the circle, small r is the radius of the circle, radius of the circle, okay, and theta the measure of central angle, measure of central angle, measure of central angle, or you can say measure of an arc, measure of an arc. Okay, then area of sector is given by this formula. Then area of sector, area of sector is equal to, it is theta upon 360 into pi r square. This is the formula to find area of sector when radius is given and the measure of central angle is given. So by using this formula, we can find the area of sector. That is area of minor sector we can find. Now to find area of major sector, how we can find? So first we have to find the area of circle. अगर मेजर सेक्टर का एरिया फाइंड करना है, ये ऊपर वाला, इसका अगर एरिया फाइंड करना रहेगा तो क्या करेंगे? पूरा सर्कल का एरिया फाइंड करेंगे. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ सर्कल एंड फ्रॉम दैट एरिया ऑफ सर्कल जस्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर. माइनर सेक्टर का एरिया सर्कल के एरिया में से क्या करेंगे? माइनस करेंगे तो तुमको क्या मिलेगा? एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर मिलेगा. ओके, नाउ बाय यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला वी हैव टू सॉल्व सम एग्जांपल्स फ्रॉम प्रैक्टिस सेट 7.3. First example is, the radius of a circle is 10 cm, measure of an arc of the circle is 54 degree, find the arc of the sector associated with the arc and value of pi is given, pi is equal to 3.14 we have to take. Okay, so we start solution like this. Here radius of the circle is given, first we write the given things here. So radius is given, that is the value for r is given. So here r is equal to 10 cm, r is equal to 10 centimeter, this value is given. Measure of an arc of the circle, measure of arc is given, that means theta is equal to 54 degree, that is also given. And we have to find the area of the sector. If pi is equal to 3.14. We have to take value for pi as 3.14. Then we write the formula to find area of sector. So the area of sector is equal to the area of sector. The area of sector is equal to, it is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Okay, value for theta, it is 54 upon 360 into pi, that is 3.14 into r square, that is 10 square. Okay, that is equal to, it is 54 upon 360 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. So this 0 get cancelled with this 0. Okay, now simplify here. 6 6 are 36, or directly if you know the table of 18, it is also simplified by 18. 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54, like that only. Okay, by 6 we can divide here. 6 6 are 36, 6 9s are 54, then 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay, then 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, is equal to 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15 into 3.14. Now take multiplication of those two numbers. So 15 into 4, 15 4s are 60, 0, 6 carry, 15 1s are 15 plus 6, 21, 1, 2 carry, 15 3s are 45, 45, 46, 47. After decimal point, there are two digits. From right hand side, left 2 digit and put the decimal point. Then you will get 47.10 centimeter square. And therefore, the area of the sector, therefore the area of the sector is 47.10 centimeter square. Okay, in this way we have to solve this first example, or we can use the formula to find area of sector. Okay, now next example is, in the figure, radius of the circle is 7 centimeter. Radius is given, that means r is given, r is equal to 7 centimeter, and measure of arc MBN, that is measure of arc is given, that is the value for theta. So theta is equal to, it is 60 degree, that is given. Theta is equal to 60 degree. Then we have to find area of the circle, and here we take pi is equal to, value for pi is not given, so we'll take here pi is equal to 22 upon 7, because r is given as a 7 centimeter. Okay, तो उसके बाद में अपने को फाइंड करना है एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल. सर्कल का एरिया फाइंड करना है. एरिया डैश ओ, area of O dash MBN, that is area of this minor sector we have to find, and MCN, that is area of major sector we have to find. Okay, so first we'll find area of circle. So formula to find area of circle is, area of circle is equal to, yes, remember that formula, it is pi r square, that is equal to, it is 22 upon 7 into 7 square, that is equal to 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. This 7 get cancelled, and you will get 22 into 7. After taking multiplication of both the terms, you will get 154 centimeter square. Okay, this is the first value, that is area of circle. Now area of sector O dash MBN, that is minor sector, is equal to, it is theta upon 360 into pi r square, that is equal to, value for theta, it is given as a 60 degree, so 60 upon 360 into pi r square, we can just calculate that value, it is 154. Just simplify this 0 get cancelled, 6 1s are 6 6 are 36. Okay, after that 6 1s are 6 2s are 12. How much left? 3 left. 6 5s are 30, 6 5s are 30. Okay, how much left? 4 left. Right, take decimal point, add 1 0. 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36. Recurring there is 6 recurring is there, so you will get 25.666, and after 2 decimal place the answer will be 25.67 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the value, because the third digit is greater than 5, so we have to add 1 in the previous digit, that is in 6 we have to add 1, so you will get 6 7. This is the area of minor sector. ये minor sector का area हुआ. Now third one is area of major sector, that is O dash MCN. MCN is equal to, अब major sector का area कैसा मिलेगा? So first we find we already calculated this area of circle. So area of circle में से ये minor sector का area क्या करेंगे? Minus करेंगे. So it is area of circle minus area of sector O dash MBN. That is equal to, it is 154 minus 25.67. अभी 154.00 will take, because in second number after decimal there are two digits, so here decimal point is not there, so 154 point will take and 00, and after that 25.67. just take subtraction of those two numbers. Now 0 minus 7 is not possible, so we take borrow from there besides. Okay, so beside there is 0 again, so we take borrow from here. From 4 only 3 is left, 10 comes, from 10 we take borrow 1 and 9 is left. 10 minus 7, that is 3. 9 minus 6, again 3, decimal point as it is. Now here from this 5, 4 is left, 13 comes, 13 minus 5, so 13 minus 5 is 8, 4 minus 2 is 2, 1 as it is. So the answer is 128.33 centimeter square. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this example number 2. Now come to next example. The area of minor sector of a circle is 3.85. So here area of minor sector is given. So we write this given thing, area of minor sector. Minor sector का area given है अपने को. So area of minor sector is equal to 3.85 centimeter square, and measure of its central angle, that means theta is given, that is equal to 36 degrees. Find the radius of the circle. Then we have to find radius, r we have to find. Okay, so we take that formula, area of sector, that is minor sector, is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Area of sector is given as 3.85 is equal to theta is given as a 36 divided by 360 into value for pi we take as a 22 upon 7. Okay, into r square, keep as it is. So 36 ones are 0s are 0, right? After that 3.85 into this 10 into 7, both are in denominator on right hand side. When we take both the numbers on left hand side, it comes to numerator get multiplied there. So 3.85 into 10 into 7, and this 22 is in multiplication on left hand side, that comes in the denominator, is equal to r square. Just simplify here, 11 2s are 22, है ना? Now here 0.11 3s are 33, 5 left, 11 5s are 35, then 2 1s are 2 5s are, so you will get r square is equal to 0.35 into 7 5s are 35, that is equal to 35 into 35. We remove that decimal point. To remove that decimal point, we have to take denominator as a 1 and add 2 zeros, because after decimal there are 2 digits, so after 1 we have to put 2 zeros. In this way we can remove the decimal point. Okay, so r square is equal to, you will get as a 35 square upon 10 square. All numbers are square numbers, so taking square root, so you will get r is equal to, it is 35 divided by 10, and 35 divided by 10 is nothing but 3.5. ओके, अगर अपने को 10 से डिवाइड करना है, 100 से डिवाइड करना है, 1000 से डिवाइड करना है, तो क्या करना है तुमको, जितने नंबर ऑफ जीरोज रहेंगे राइट साइड से उतने डिजिट्स छोड़ेंगे और उसके बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट प्लेस करेंगे. सो आंसर इज 3.5 सेंटीमीटर, एंड देयरफॉर द रिक्वायर्ड रेडियस इज, वी राइट द आंसर एज द रिक्वायर्ड रेडियस इज 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so in this way we have to solve this third example. Now come to fourth example from practice set 7.3. Now the next example from practice set 7.3 is triangle LMN is an equilateral triangle. So this triangle LMN is an equilateral triangle. LM is equal to 14 centimeter. This is given as shown in the figure. Three sectors are drawn with vertices as centers. ये जो triangle के vertices है उसको हम लोग center consider करेंगे और three sectors are drawn here. L, X, A, Z. This is one. This is X dash XY. This is second, and N dash YZ. Okay. These are the such three sectors are there. So first we have to find the area of triangle LMN, then area of any one of the sector, any one sector, taking R is equal to 7 centimeter and theta, that is the area of that central angle, and measure of each angle in equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So we take theta is equal to 60 degree here, and then after that total area of three sectors. Just multiply area of one sector by 3, you will get total area of three sector, and then area of shaded portion is given by subtracting area of all the three sectors from this area of the triangle. Okay. तो पूरे ट्रायंगल में से तीनों सेक्टर्स का एरिया माइनस करेंगे तो अपने को क्या मिलेगा, एरिया ऑफ शेडेड पोर्शन मिलेगा. ठीक है, तो ये हिसाब से इसको सॉल्व करना है. सो विल सॉल्व सॉल्यूशन. वी स्टार्ट लाइक दिस. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल LMN, एरिया ऑफ इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल LMN formula is like this: √3/4 into side square. This is the formula to find area of an equilateral triangle. इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल एरिया फाइंड करने का फॉर्मूला ये √3/4 इंटू साइड स्क्वायर, दैट इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3/4 इंटू it is 14 square. Side is given as a 14, so 14 square, that is equal to √3/4 into 14 square is nothing but 14 into 14. Just simplify this. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14 is equal to 7 7s are 49 into value for √3, and value for √3 is 1.73. 1.73. After taking multiplication of both the terms, you will get final answer as 84.87. 84.87 centimeter square. Okay, this is the value for first area of triangle LMN. Now second one, area of any one of the sector. So we find here area of L dash XAZ. This sector we find area of this sector, this one. Okay, it is theta/360 into pi r square. So theta is given as a 60/360 into value for pi. We will take value for pi as 22/7 into radius is given as a 7 square. Okay, so this 0 get cancelled. 6 1s are 6, 6 are 36, that is equal to 1/6 into this 22/7 into 7 square, that is 7 into 7. So this 0 get cancelled, and finally you will get 1/6 into 7 2s are 14, 1 carry, 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15, 154. So 154/6, and after dividing this you will get answer as 25.67 centimeter square. Okay, this is the value answer for second one. Now third one, area of all the three sectors. Area of all three sectors is equal to 3 into area of L dash XAZ, that is equal to 3 into 25.67, and after taking multiplication 3 7s are 21, 2 carry, 3 6s are 18, 19 20, 0 2 carry, decimal point as it is we put here, 3 5s are 15 plus 2 17, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 77.01 centimeter square, that is the area of all the three sectors. And now fourth one, area of shaded portion is equal to area of shaded portion. Area of shaded portion is equal to area of triangle LMN minus area of all three sectors. Area of all three sectors. Area of triangle is 84.87 minus 77.01. That is equal to, the final answer is 7.86 centimeter square. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this fourth example. Now the last example on this area of sector from practice set 7.3 is, in figure, quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. If PQ is equal to 14 cm and QR is equal to 21 cm, find the area of parts X, Y and Z. Okay, so we start solution like this here. Since quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle is given. Okay, in that rectangle PQ is equal to 14 cm, this value is given, and QR is equal to 21 cm, this is also given. Okay, so for part X we take R is equal to, for part X we take PQ as the radius of the sector, and that R is equal to, we will take as a 14 cm, and theta is equal to 90 degree, and therefore area of sector X is equal to, it is theta upon 360 into pi r square, that is equal to 90 upon 360 into value for pi we take as a 22 upon 7 into r square, that is 14 square. So this 0 get cancelled, 9 1s are 9 4s are 36. You will get 1 upon 4 into 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. So 7 1s are 7 2s are 14, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 7s are is equal to 7 2s are 14, 1 carry, 7 2s are 14 plus 1, that is 15 centimeter square. The area of sector for X. Okay. Now second one is area of sector Y. We find here. To find area of sector Y, first we have to find the radius of this sector Y. Okay. Now since QR is given, since QR is equal to 21 centimeter, but QR we can write as QM plus MR is equal to 21. Reason is, since Q dash, M dash, R, that means those points are collinear points, and therefore QM is 14, that is given, QM plus MR we have to find is equal to 21, and therefore MR is equal to 21 minus 14, that is equal to 7. Here we can write the reason as PQ is equal to QM, radii of the same sector. Okay, so MR is equal to 7 centimeter we have to take, that is equal to R1 say. Okay, and theta is equal to 90, it is common for sector Y, and therefore area of sector, area of sector Y, is equal to, formula is same, theta upon 360 into pi r1 square. We denote that radius by r1, that is equal to, theta is again 90 upon 360 into value for pi is 22 upon 7 into r1, that is 7 square. Again 0 get cancelled, 9 1s are 9 4s are 36 is equal to 1 upon 4 into this 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 1s are 7 1s are get cancelled is equal to 22 7s are, here we just calculate 22 7s are, it is 154 upon 4, right? Now just simplify here, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 13 14 15, 3 left, 4 8s are 32, 2 left, take decimal point, add 1 0, 5s are 20. Okay, so the answer is 38.5 centimeter square, 38.5 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। तो ये हो जाएगा सेक्टर वाई का एरिया। अब हमको क्या फाइंड करना है, जेड का एरिया फाइंड करना है। सो टू फाइंड एरिया ऑफ जेड, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड एरिया ऑफ दिस रेक्टेंगल, एंड फ्रॉम दैट एरिया वी हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर एक्स एंड सेक्टर वाई। ये दोनों के सेक्टर का एरिया अगर हमने रेक्टेंगल के एरिया में से माइनस किए तो अपने को क्या मिलेगा, एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर जेड मिलेगा। ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी फाइंड एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल, एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल PQRS, that is rectangle is equal to PQ into QR, that is equal to 14 into 21, that is equal to 14 ones are 14, 1 carry 14 ones are 14, 4 1 carry, 14 twos are 28, 28 plus 1 that is 29 centimeter square, and therefore area of sector Z, area of sector Z is equal to area of rectangle PQRS, है ना, माइनस ब्रैकेट area of sector X, area of sector X plus area of sector Y, सेक्टर Y दोनों के एरिया के एडिशन, और उसको माइनस करेंगे इसमें से, that is equal to 294 minus, now area of sector X it is 154 plus area of sector Y that is 38.5, okay, that is equal to 294 minus, अब ये दोनों का एडिशन है तो 0.5 का 0.5 as it is। अब ये 8 के अंदर 4 को ऐड करेंगे, 4 plus 8 12, 12 का 2 कैरी 1, 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9, it is 192.5, okay, now 294.0 उसमें से 192.5 को क्या करना है, माइनस करना है। तो यहाँ से बोरो लेंगे, इधर बचेगा 3, इधर हो जाएगा 10, 10 minus 5 5, decimal point as it is, 3 minus 2 1, 9 minus 9 0, 2 minus 1 1, answer is 101.5 centimeter square. This is the formula, this is the value for area of sector Z। ठीक है, तो ये हिसाब से हमको क्या करना था, प्रैक्टिस सेट 7.3 से एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करने थे। ठीक है, अब इसमें से कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स है, दैट एग्जाम्पल्स, दोज एग्जाम्पल्स यू हैव टू टेक एज अ होमवर्क, दैट इज एग्जाम्पल नंबर 10, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 10 यू हैव टू सॉल्व। एग्जाम्पल नंबर 10 जो है ये किसको सॉल्व करना है, तुमको सॉल्व करना है। इन दैट रेडियस इज गिवन, r is equal to 7 centimeter, and measure of arc of sector, arc of sector you have to consider as a theta, theta is equal to 30 degree, 210 degree, and 3 right angles, 3 right angle means 3 into 90, that is 270 you have to take there for example number 10. Okay, now in next video we'll see the formula to find length of the arc. Thank you.